Hi there. Welcome to my channel. If you are familiar with kaffir lime, you should know that along with the health benefits of kaffir lime, the leaves of the kaffir lime also have numerous health benefits besides their culinary uses. Scientifically known as citrus hystrix, kaffir lime leaves are highly aromatic and commonly used in traditional Asian cooking across a variety of cuisines, particularly in Thai, Indonesian, and Malaysian cuisines, mainly for food flavoring. Normally not ingested, kaffir lime leaves are a key ingredient in dishes like tom yum soup, green curry, rendang, and more. In addition to cooking, you can steep kaffir lime leaves in liquid to infuse their flavor. This is done by bruising the leaves and adding them to soups, curries, or sauces. Let's take a look at some of the amazing benefits of kaffir lime leaves that can benefit your physical and mental health. Kaffir lime leaves have a very special and unique fragrance, which comes from the essential oils in kaffir lime. Kaffir lime oil is used in aromatherapy to reduce stress, anxiety, and fatigue from sickness. Inhaling the oil will do wonders for your body and mind. In fact, just keeping a kaffir lime houseplant is often enough to keep your energy up for the whole day. Scientists in Thailand have developed an herbal film containing a mixture of kaffir lime and guava leaves, to study their effects on bad breath. The mixture was shown to be effective in suppressing the garlic odor. The anti-halitosis effect comes from both the pleasant fragrance of the aromatic oils and the natural antibacterial properties of the leaves. The leaves of the kaffir lime contain substances that have antibacterial activity against Staphylococcus aureus, which is a common skin pathogen. Kaffir lime extracts prevent the growth of bacteria on wounds to facilitate healing. This makes them effective topical antiseptics. Antibacterial property and pleasant smell of the leaves are also the reasoning why kaffir oils are in deodorants. Essential oils from kaffir lime leaves can kill the bacteria responsible acne. Together with the anti-inflammatory effects, these oils may help reduce the formation of acne and subsequent development of scars and stains. The terpenes in kaffir lime oil, such as citronellal and limonene, have antioxidant qualities, which help reverse the effects of skin aging and maintain a healthy glow. Kaffir lime and other citrus extracts can be found in shampoo and other hair products. The oil is very effective in untangling hair strands and in washing away dirt and grease. In addition to their antibacterial virtues, they're also anti-dandruff and anti-lice. The benefits of kaffir lime leaves are growing gradually as more properties are being discovered. To preserve, kaffir lime leaves can be dried or frozen to extend their shelf life. Dried leaves should be rehydrated before use, while frozen leaves can be used directly without defrosting. Kaffir lime leaves hold cultural significance in many Southeast Asian cultures. They are often used in religious ceremonies and rituals, and are considered a symbol of good luck and prosperity. I hope you have received some important information about using kaffir lime leaves to use in your daily life, either for culinary usage, or physical and mental well-being. If you want to know more about the health benefits of the kaffir lime fruit, you may watch my video about the health benefits of kaffir lime in this channel. Please give me a thumbs up if you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. See you soon with my next video. Till then, goodbye.